Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are well. And today is going to be the lemon and sugar scrub. And what this helps to do to your skin, it helps to maintain a silky and smooth more of a complexion. And the lemon tightens your pores and it evens out your skin tone, and the sugar removes dead skin cells and this clears the pores. Okay, I don't know if you've got sensitive skin. These are all natural products, so there's no artificial products. So I will advise you to use it because me myself, I do have sensitive skin. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare my scrub, my DIY scrub. Just bearing in mind you can also add honey to it, but I'm not adding honey today. But my previous DIY video, I added honey to it. So if you want to see that, please look back at my previous videos and you get an idea of all my other DIY masks. And I cannot just say quickly, I hope you're all subscribed and I hope you have just been keeping up with my videos, and please also press that bell. So I've got my sugar here. Oh, I'm not trying to put it on the floor. So I've got my sugar. Okay. Got my sugar. And I've got a fresh lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze. Guys, I'm not very strong. Squeeze. And can I just say that lemon can also be used as a lightening agent. So if you're looking to if you're looking to lighten your dark spots, that's just something you can just apply to your face by itself and you'll be able to see a difference. So I don't know if you can see that, but okay, so that's the paste made, and we literally made this paste in literally 20 seconds. Now what you do, you can leave it to stand for about 2 minutes so you can just pick up a bit more of a paste. And also guys, you can also add Colgate. You can also add Colgate to this paste, and the Colgate will help it to be more of a paste, and this really targets like acne and spots, because Colgate has in, like, you know, tea tree oil and mints and all those sort of different things that really target those spots. Like, oh my gosh, so annoying. So bearing in mind guys, you can add Colgate to your lemon and sugar scrub. I might do this for my next video. So as I said again, please make sure you are subscribed. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, is on my finger. I'm just going to apply it to my face. And it lathers on so easy. And if you do have really like sensitive parts on your face, such as around your mouth area, please be careful with that. Because just remember, all of us have different skin types and we all know what we can take. Guys, just ignore my fan in the background because it is hot, okay? I'm preparing to go out, but I'm just doing my face scrub, you know, before I go out. And just lather it in. And guys, as you know, I do a lot of DIY facials on my channel because the more natural the product, the more of a result you're going to see. And when you're applying your facial products, it's best to use 2 hands But the reason why I'm only using one hand is because one hand is occupied with the paste. But it is better to use two hands. And you can apply it to your neck also. And it's going to give you that like glowing, and baby smooth like effect. Put my nose. And the nose area where I have my problem with blackheads and whiteheads, I'm just going to focus on that area. And then I'm going to go and have my bath, and then I'm going to relax in the bath and just let this mask do its work, and then I'm going to wash it off. And guys, just remember, when you do this paste, leave it on for at least, I would say, as I normally say, 20 to 30 minutes. Like, take time when it comes to your facial routine. It's not going to do any harm. It's just going to give you the skin that you desire. That's what we all want. So as you can see, that when I wash this off, it's obvious that my skin is going to be silky smooth, clear and spot free, and all the dead skin cells are going to be gone. It's going to be all it's all going to be removed by this paste. So just remember guys, please try this paste and let me know how it goes. Comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and press that bell.